Safepal versus Ledger Nano X. In this video, I'm going to compare Safepal and Ledger Nano X. Safepal and Ledger Nano X are both popular hardware wallets for securely storing cryptocurrency, each offering distinct features. Safepal is designed with a compact and user-friendly interface, including a built-in screen for transactions verification. It ensures security through a combination of secure elements and a proprietary chip to protect private keys, along with a seed phrase backup system. Safepal supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and integrates with various exchanges for easy transactions. It is generally more affordable compared to Ledger Nano X and utilizes a QR code-based system for transactions, eliminating the need for Bluetooth or cables. In contrast, Ledger Nano X features a sleek and portable design with a larger screen, enhancing ease of use. It is renowned for its robust security, including a secure element and Ledger's proprietary OS, along with seed phrase recovery. Ledger Nano X supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with Ledger Live, a comprehensive app for managing assets. Although it is typically more expensive, it includes advanced features and build quality. Ledger Nano X also offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless transactions and USB-C for wired connections. Both Safepal and Ledger Nano X offer excellent security and functionality. Safepal is budget-friendly with its QR code system, while Ledger Nano X provides advanced features and ease of use with Bluetooth connectivity. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget.